Is your laptop slow, even when you're not doing much? It might not be your hardware. It could be hidden Windows settings slowing everything down. In this video, I'll show you 5 hidden Windows settings you should turn off to make your laptop faster. These are simple changes most people ignore, but they can actually make a noticeable difference, especially on low-end laptops. Just follow what I do step by step. First, let's stop apps running in the background. Some apps continue running even when you're not using them, and that uses memory and slows your system down. Click the Start button. Then open Settings. Go to Apps. Then click Installed Apps. Choose any app you don't need running all the time. Click the 3 dots, then select Advanced Options. Under Background Apps Permissions, set it to Never. You don't need most apps running in the background, so turning this off helps free up resources. Now let's move to something a lot of people don't notice. Windows shows tips and suggestions in the background. It may seem harmless, but it still uses system resources. Go back to Settings. Click System. Then click Notifications. Scroll down and uncheck Get Tips and Suggestions when using Windows. If you already know how to use your computer, you don't really need these running. This next setting won't change your specs, but it can make your laptop feel much smoother. Windows uses visual effects like transparency to make things look nicer. But these effects use extra system resources. Go to Settings. Click Personalization. Then click Colors. Find Transparency Effects and turn it off. Turning this off reduces visual load and can make your system feel more responsive. Let's reduce even more background activity. Windows can sync your settings across devices. But if you're only using one laptop, this isn't really necessary. Go to Settings. Click Accounts. Then click Windows Backup. Turn off Remember My Preferences. This stops unnecessary syncing in the background and helps reduce system load. This last setting can also affect your internet speed, not just your performance. This feature allows your PC to send Windows updates to other computers. That can use your bandwidth and system resources. Go to Settings. Click Windows Update. Then click Advanced Options. Select Delivery Optimization. Turn off Allow downloads from other PCs. This is useful in shared networks, but not necessary for most personal users. Those are 5 hidden Windows settings you should turn off to make your laptop faster. These are small changes, but together they can make a noticeable difference, especially on low-end PCs. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.